Want to clean up your Snapchat feed and turn off Discover? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to do it. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the Friends icon or swipe to the Discover page. Now, here's the important part. Snapchat doesn't let you completely turn off Discover. But don't worry, you can hide content so it feels like it's gone. Step 1. Hide unwanted stories. Press and hold on any snap or story you don't want to see. A menu will appear. Tap Hide. Repeat this process for other content you don't like. Step 2. Refresh your feed. As you hide more stories, Snapchat will automatically adjust the feed. Over time, your Discover page will show less content you don't want, making it feel like it's turned off. Step 3. Manage subscriptions. If you're subscribed to certain channels on Discover, you can unsubscribe by holding down their content and tapping Unsubscribe. This will reduce the clutter even more. The Discover feed is personalized, so the more you hide or unsubscribe, the cleaner your feed becomes. And that's it. While Snapchat doesn't officially allow you to fully turn off Discover, hiding content and unsubscribing is the best way to control what you see.